This faceless YouTube automation channel will definitely blow your mind. Look at it here. This channel was just started a few months ago, and it has a lot of views and makes hundreds of dollars per month from ad revenue. The most amazing fact to share with you is that all the videos on this channel are fully AI generated. That means you have no need to pay others. You can earn money without spending even a penny. That's wow. Well, I'm pretty sure you can do the same, but the question is how? So, it could be possible with a perfect niche. That's why today I come with that amazing niche. Alright, before going ahead first, let me show you a video of this channel so that you can understand this kind of niche.
Springfield, Illinois is a city rich in history and tradition, surrounded by green parks and cozy neighborhoods. Founded in the early 19th century, Springfield quickly became an important center of commerce and culture. Famous people lived and worked here, and local residents were proud of their achievements. It was a city where everyone could feel safe, where children played in the streets until dark.
I guess now you have a little bit idea about this niche. Hey, have you noticed how dull it is to watch, but inside of it, a lot of people are viewing it? This indicates that the niche is really hot at this time. Therefore, there is a golden chance to grab your goals through this detective niche. Well, if you have an interest in this niche, then it will be amazing to turn your passion for mysteries into a money-making machine. Now, I'm going to show you how to create detective-themed videos that not only entertain but also help to earn hundreds of dollars every month. Now, come toward the tutorial, but here I must tell you that you have to follow all the steps carefully, otherwise it won't work. However, we have to gather all kinds of interesting stuff for this kind of video. For it, we have to use several AI tools and text prompt assets. All the links to these AI tools and text prompts are in the Google Doc. The link to Google Docs is in the description box. Simply click on it and take what you need. First, you have to create a YouTube channel. If you already know about it, then you can skip this step. But if you don't know, then follow it. So, first, go to youtube.com and simply click on your profile. After that, you have to switch accounts and view all channels. Now click on the option of creating a new channel. Now put a name for your channel. Your channel's name should be easy, catchy, and short. You can also get ideas from ChatGPT. Okay, I am going to ChatGPT and give it a prompt like this. Give me some name ideas for a detective crime stories channel. So, here are these name ideas. Now, pick a name that you find more interesting. After that, go to channel settings and add a description. You can generate SEO-based descriptions with ChatGPT. Alright, swing back to ChatGPT and give it a prompt to generate a description. As I am asking, please give me an organized channel description from My Detective Crime Stories channel with engaging emojis. After entering the prompt, click on the button to generate. Alright, we have an engaging description for our channel. Now copy it and paste it into YouTube. Next, we have to put the profile picture. Basically, there are many AI image generators out there, and you can go with whichever one you like more. But here, I recommended using Leonardo AI. Again, we will use ChatGPT and ask it, please give me some prompt options to create design ideas for a character like a detective for my crime story channel's profile picture that should be dark and mysterious, reflecting the mood, and hit generate. So, here are many options. Now, choose one of them and ask ChatGPT to turn it into a text prompt that can be used in Leonardo AI. ChatGPT will give an image prompt, copy it, and head over to Leonardo AI. Now, paste it into the box and click on Image Generation on the left. Next, set the size to 800 by 800 and choose the generation model Albedo Base XL. Then simply paste the prompt and hit on the option of Generate. Now, check out the result calmly. Download one of the images and upload it to the YouTube Studio page. The final step for creating a YouTube channel is to add your channel tags. Basically, channel tags help the YouTube algorithm understand what kind of viewers you want to grab. Okay, we can also generate these tags with AI tool. So, we're going to use another AI tool to get perfect tags. Well, you use this fantastic tool, which is completely free to use. The website is called smearish.com. We need to go to the search button, type in the main keyword of your channel, which is crime story niche, and click on the Generate option. This tool will then provide us with a ton of keywords related to our niche. However, we need to copy and paste them into the YouTube box, making sure we have enough keywords. Finally, our channel is ready. Now, let's start the process of creating our video. We already know our niche, but we still need a video topic. The best idea is that you can search these kinds of channels. Then search for one of them, which is ranking. Now, search its recently uploaded videos and find out the most viewed videos. You can pick one of them. Well, this is pretty helpful to find good topics. Alright, now we got our inspiration and idea. Now it's time to proceed to the next step, which is writing the script for our video. Basically, the most critical step to creating a viral video is writing a killer and engaging script because it can hook your viewers. Alright, you can use ChatGPT for generating scripts or hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork. If you do have not enough money to spend, then it is the best idea to generate a script on ChatGPT. It is free of cost, meaning you don't need to pay anything to try this AI tool. Alright, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a script for you. I am giving it a prompt like this. Please give me an engaging script on the title of a small-town true crime documentary. At the very next moment, ChatGPT gave us an outclass script. Alright, now our script is ready, but never skip to read this script. If you want to skip any part or add something new to this script, then you can do that to take it to the next level. Now, we have to proceed to the next step, which is voiceover. That's why we need a perfect AI-generated voice. Basically, there are hundreds of text-to-speech software out there, but I always recommend using 11 Labs. Because there are many voices to choose from, you can listen to these voices and choose one of them which you find more powerful. I am going to choose this professional voice clone Mark. Now, click on the Add button right here, and next go back to ChatGPT and your script. Now swing back to 11 Labs and go to the text-to-speech section. Now you just have to paste your script in separate paragraphs and click on Generate Speech. Basically, you can generate a voiceover of the entire script at a time, but it is a better idea to generate voiceover with paragraphs. It is a better idea to try not to go over 500 words at a time, because if you paste many words at once, the website will get confused with the format. Now, generate one paragraph at a time until you have covered the entire script. Alright, now we have also a voiceover. Next, we will generate our AI images by using ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. So, we will start this process by generating our prompts with the help of ChatGPT. We just have to ask ChatGPT to create 15 text prompts based on the script. So go to ChatGPT and give it a prompt like this. Give me 15 text prompts based on the script which we can later use in Leonardo AI. Now, enter this prompt and paste your script, then simply press the Generate button. At the very next moment, it will give you 15 different image prompts. Alright, now we have to copy one prompt and go back to Leonardo AI and simply paste it in this box. We have to set the size of it to 16 by 9, then hit the Generate option. Well, it is a bonus tip to add ultra-realistic at the end of each prompt. In this way, you'll get images that look better than usual. Look at this. Here is a perfect image. You can repeat this process until you get all your images. Now, let's animate these images to create breathtaking video clips. To state the obvious, you must click on the personal feed located here on the left side of Leonardo AI's site. It's where you can view all of your photos in a gallery format. Now, move your mouse pointer over the image and select Generate Motion Video. After a few seconds, the image will have this crazy motion effect that makes it much more visually appealing. Here's a pro tip for you. As you can see, Leonardo AI allows you to select the motion strength, or, to put it another way, the amount of power the animation will have. In general, I advise always selecting 3 or higher but never 7, because from what I've observed, AI tends to overdo it. That said, you want to add this motion effect to every image. Now, we have to put it all together to edit our video, but before we do that, we need some music. Basically, background music is essential for establishing the tone of your video. Think about this. What do you hope viewers of your video will take away from it? In this scenario, we want them to feel suspicious about locating good soundtracks and music. Play uplifting, suspenseful music if you want them to feel more excited. Simply utilize any copyright-free websites, such as Pixabay or Epidemic Sounds. For getting perfect background music for our video, I prefer to use Pixabay. So, go to Pixabay. On its homepage, you will find a lot of options to use. Listen to them carefully and choose one of them which you feel is more interesting. Well, this audio clip of music is absolutely mind-blowing, I think. Now I am going to select this music. Now click on the option of download. So now we have also amazing background music. After all of the images have been animated and the voiceovers for all of the images and the entire script are completed, the visual assets for the video will be finished. Finally, come to the final section, which is editing. However, there are a lot of options to edit our video, but I always recommend using CapCut for video editing. It does not matter whether you are a pro or a beginner, you can perfectly edit your video by using this editor. The most amazing facts about CapCut are that this is a free tool, and it has some features that no other editors have. Edit videos like a pro with a free tool is no doubt amazing. You will be happy to know that even you don't really need any advanced features for this. However, CapCut also offers a pro subscription for those who want to have access to next-level animations, transitions effects, and additional export settings to really make their videos look more professional than others. I am using it free version. Now, go to CapCut and click on the option of a new project. Now you have to import all the materials that we have gathered. The visual arrangement should be perfect according to your script. Now drag your voiceover on its timeline. Well, if you want to make the voiceover sound more human, then you can use the razor tool, which helps you to cut out all of the pauses like this. Now, slightly overlap them. Now you have created a J-cut that will give your voiceover a higher pace and make it sound clearer like a human without these long pauses. However, now right-click it and then press Create Compound Clip. This will compound your voiceover to one single element. Alright, now you have to take a look at all the visuals that are on the timeline. Here, you have to make sure you set the size of the canvas to 16:9. Now, it's time to give a smoother look to your images. For this purpose, I am going to add a transition between these images. So click on Transitions and search for Mix. Now, drag it between two clips and hit Apply to all on the right. Well, you can also try out the black smoke transition or any else that can to keep that dark detective vibe across the video. Alright, I have added this transition to all. Now check out this. Our video looks amazing, but there is a little bit of blackness. To make our video perfect, I'm looking to take a closer look. So let's click here on Adjustment and add a new adjustment layer. So drag it across the entire video and find a vignette on your right. However, you have to drag this around to +20 and check out the result. You'll get these dark corners. I really think it will give this video a luxurious look. And if you go to this curves option, you can control the overall brightness of your video. Alright, now, I am going to add some filters to the video. Yeah, I know, it's just a small change, but believe me, it makes a big difference. Keep in mind that if your AI images don't cover the entire voiceover, then don't fret. You have to simply go back to Leonardo I and generate more images with the previous method. Well, our images have covered the entire voiceover. Well, all the visual content of our video is done now. Now, let's proceed to designing the sound to take this video to the next level. So, the next step is to apply sound effects. Basically, the sound effects can be used to highlight something important, or just to make the viewer hear what's happening on the screen. For instance, add a riser if something important is about to be stated, and a whoosh noise if something is moving. Finding the correct sound effects, however, may be a real pain. On CapCut, you can also add effects. See, there are a lot of options. So, add the suitable effects from these options. Well, if you really want to take your video to the next level, then it is best idea to add sound effects every 5 seconds. Now, click on the background music which is placed on the timeline and adjust its volume according to the requirement. Well, adding the captions is the only task remaining at this time. To add captions automatically using CapCut, click on the option of Auto Captions. Basically, captions are the text that frequently appears on the bottom half of the screen, displaying what the voiceover is saying. In the default style, they will appear somewhat uninteresting. Thus, select the template that you think best suits your kind of content by clicking on it. You really just need to perform that much editing. You can also change its color and font style. Now, carefully check everything. Now the video is absolutely complete. If you are satisfied with your work, then download this video. So, click on Export and set the settings to 1080p and 60 frames per second. And there you have it, a stunning YouTube video for your channel. You can find the link in the description of this video. So, go to the description box and open the Google Doc, where you can find all the prompts and the links to all AI tools. Do you understand everything? Must tell us in the comment section. I'd be curious to hear your thoughts. But other than that, don't forget to hit subscribe and the like button, because that does help our channel out a lot. I will catch you soon. Goodbye for now.